So by claiming our power, we want to be stronger in our body, be more confident, be more subtle, be more respectable. But in order to get those qualities, you have to first tune in to how you're treating yourself now. So by practicing these poses that we'll be doing today, just be mindful of how you're feeling, how you're breathing, and any mental talk too. So we can begin by putting your hand on your heart and simply just taking a deep inhale through the nose, expanding the belly, and exhale, release. And as you're breathing, simply notice yourself expand, and then on the exhale, allow the body to sink down. Allow the weight of the body to be felt by the ground and by the earth. So as you inhale, feel your heart expand and feel your body elevate. And notice your senses too. Where are you? Are you outside? Is it raining? Is it sunny? Is it warm? And bringing those elements into your body, expanding through the inhale and exhale, release. Ask the earth to ground you. Ask the earth to be with you here, right now, in this moment. And as you keep breathing, continue asking the elements of earth to come in and ground you. So ask the leaves, ask the birds, ask the sky. Ask them, how are you doing? How are you feeling? And welcome them with your presence, as then they can start the healing journey with you. So come to your tabletop position, planting your hands on your mat. Try to bring out, wiggle your fingers, so that way the palms of your hands are glued to the surface of your mat. And just shake out your knees, wiggle a little bit side to side, and then gently, slowly drop your stomach, look up to the sky. And if you want, you can wiggle here too, warming up the spine, and then bring yourself into a cat pose, tucking everything in, tucking the rib cage, tucking your chin. And again, now drop the belly, open up through the chest, open up your heart to the sky, opening it up. And then again, bringing yourself upward, sending the energy out. Kind of like being a puppet, someone is bringing you up higher. And then lower the stomach, looking up. You can close your eyes if that feels comfortable. And then bring yourself upward, push through the palms of your hands. Then on your next exhale, just simply push down into child's pose. And affirming that we are here in this moment, claiming our power on the mat. And you can repeat after me. I am powerful. I am unique. My voice matters. I am seen. I am heard. I share my opinions authentically. Spirit, guide me in my quest. Intuition, guide me in my decisions. My higher self, help me. Help me. it is okay to ask for help. It is okay to be vulnerable. And it is okay to not know the answer. When we do not know, that is when we should tune in to ask our guides and our intuition for assistance. Breathe in through the nose, expand the belly. Exhale, release. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the ground. Now on your next exhale, you're going to push up into a plank position. Fully press down on your palms, lifting up through the shoulders, lifting up higher, tucking your hips, tucking the rib cage, nice and strong. You can shift forward and back, just noticing your placement of your hands. Now on your exhale, pushing down through a push-up, through a chaturanga, and lifting up to a small baby cobra, bringing your hands to the front of the mat, looking up, noticing the movement that you've created in the upper back, middle back, and lower back. Then you're going to push back up into a down dog, adjusting your stance, pedaling out your feet, noticing the movement, the energy in the legs. And again, asking the elements to help us find our voice, to help us claim our power. Where is your power in this pose? Push more through the palms of your hands, bringing the head closer to your shoulders, in between the armpits, and pushing your hips outward. Find the power in your stance. You can bend your knees and simply walk to the front of your mat. Lifting up halfway and reaching back down. And again, lifting halfway and reaching back down. And in a small twist, shifting over to the left side, taking a breath. Slowly walking back to the middle and switching over to the right side. And again, back to center, clasping your palms over the head. Allow the head to hang a little bit more. You can twist side to side, noticing how your shoulders are tight, where you feel tension. You can bend your knees more to support the lower back. And gently, slowly unclenching your hands, placing your hands on the mat, moving to your plank, nice and high. Lift up through the palms, sending the energy through the wrists, the elbows, the shoulders, tucking the shoulder blades together, slightly rounding the upper back, tucking the ribs, tucking the belly. Going through your vinyasa flow, coming down through chaturanga, lifting up to an up dog, tucking the toes in through the down dog. Once again, finding that power in this pose, pressing through the palms, looking at your knees, at your toes, bending the knees if you need to, pedaling up knees. Just notice what your body is thinking, what your body is feeling. Then lift the right leg up and bring that right hand slowly to the outside of your mat, coming into a wide lizard pose. Once again, feeling the earth, feeling the power you are sending downward, grounding yourself. Gently, you can lift your right hand, put it to the right knee, shifting the right leg out, looking at the sole of your right foot. And if you'd like to go a little bit deeper, you can put your hands onto the mat with your elbows, or simply stay here. Then you're just going to slowly walk the right foot and bring it back, kind of like a half split motion. And rock forward and back very gently, just waking up the back of the legs, your glutes. Then you're going to shift all the way forward and lift yourself up to a lunge. And opening up to a warrior 2, reversing your warrior, and coming into a triangle. Breathe in and breathe out, nice and strong. And let's reverse your triangle and coming all the way down into your plank position. Once again, claiming the ground that you are here. And then do a few petals. The knee almost touches the ground. Just warming up your core. Keep your shoulders nice and elevated, pushing through the earth, claiming that you are here. And coming down through the flow again, through the chaturanga, lifting up to up dog and pushing back to down dog. And we're going to repeat the side. Lifting the left leg up, bringing it slowly to the outside of your mat, into the lizard, lowering the right knee, taking the left hand by the knee, just gently pressing, so that way you can see the sole of your left foot. You can wiggle out your toes. And for a deeper stretch, you can come all the way down to your elbows. Breathe. Lifting yourself back up. Just gently walking yourself and pushing backward into the half split. Breathe in and breathe out. Looking at your toes, acknowledging your foot, shifting your weight a little bit forward and back. Just very minor movements. Then you're going to plant your foot, shifting your weight forward, lifting up, engaging the core into your lunge. Open, open, open into your warrior 2. Reversing and into the triangle, coming down, reaching your ankle or your knee, wherever you are. Reversing, lifting the shoulder, coming back down. One more time, and then all the way down to the plank. Nice and high, claiming your power that you are here. Lift through the palms, send the energy from the palms to the elbows, to the shoulders, lifting the shoulders high, tucking the hips and the ribs. Can you lift up a little bit more on your toes? Hold, hold. Then bring your knees down, alternating, but keeping your shoulders high. Keeping your hips up. Let's do this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. And coming down to the chaturanga, the up dog. and into the child's pose. Resting here again. Noticing your breath, noticing your mental talk, noticing the sounds around. What do you hear? I hear birds, the plants swaying with the wind, some minor raindrops falling from the leaves. It was raining before. Now it is a little bit more calm. Just like my thoughts. Just like how my body feels. Simply from moving the body, the mind is able to rest. Just in this moment. And when you're ready, simply come back up into center, crossing your legs, bringing your hands over the head, back to center, and noticing how you feel right now. You can place your hands on your heart one more time, and simply repeating after me. I am powerful. I am here. I speak authentically with my voice. I am heard. I am seen. And today, I ask my intuition for guidance. I ask my higher self to guide me. It is okay for me to ask for help. Thank you, intuition, and thank you for serving me. Today, I am ready to begin claiming my power. I am claiming my power today. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out, sending the energy down to the ground, allowing yourself to feel the weight of your body sink. This is when your intuition can come forward. When you feel yourself grounded, then your mind is able to open. So thank you for practicing with me today. Until next time, we'll be claiming our power all this week. Please subscribe and like this video for more. Aloha.